Hello everybody, this is Laura from OrganisedWell, and I was just thinking that if you're spending more time at home at the moment, you may be starting to notice those things that are around you, maybe the piles of things that are building up. It could be that you've started to notice that the cupboards aren't as easy to get into as you would like, and perhaps that spare room or that garage, perhaps the kitchen area needs to have a really good sort out. If you're at home and you're needing some help with that and you're feeling completely overwhelmed, don't know where to start, you want perhaps some ideas and inspiration and somebody to help keep you on track, you may have found in the past that friends and family, whilst well-meaning, aren't perhaps the best support for you. So I wanted to remind you about my virtual partnering service. Of course, I have services where I will come to your home and we'll work practically together through the things that you need to sort out. We'll help you organise your possessions so that you feel much more in control and much freer when you're living in your home space. But if you would rather that you didn't have people coming to your home, then one way that you can still achieve your goal whilst also getting my help is to work with me in a virtual way. So that means we'll have regular video calls. Initially, you'll show me round and we'll talk about the areas that are concerning you, and we'll work together on a plan of action for you. I'll be able to give you ideas, to give you inspiration, and then I'll be there as your accountability coach. So I'll be there to help you with problems, any difficulties that you're having, any issues that are slowing you down. And of course, I'll be there to provide you with ideas and links for companies and products and things that will really help you with your decluttering and your organising of your home. So I just wanted to remind you about that service. You can find out more in the link, or you can give me a call and I'm available for you. Even if you don't want people to visit, I can help you.